Nexion Travel Group. Many dream of turning their passion into professional success, but few are able to pull it off, usually due to lack of resources, education, or knowledge of the industry that they wish to break into. Fortunately, Nexion Travel Group has been helping entrepreneurs turn their passion into profit for nearly 30 years. Over 5,000 advisors have already gotten on the ball with Nexion. Thousands of up-and-coming travel professionals who started out with little more than a dream are now at the helm of their own thriving businesses. As one of the leading host agencies in the industry, Nexion caters to a wide range of travel professionals, whether they're brand new to the travel business or experienced advisors who employ their own agents and contractors. Nexion is proud to host a variety of travel businesses, both large and small, serving conventional or unique niches. At Nexion Travel Group, all are welcome. No matter what your business looks like, those who choose Nexion as their host agency can expect what's known as the Nexion difference: more profits, more resources, more support, and more engagement with industry insiders. With Nexion, you can always expect more. Nexion has been honored with awards and accolades from all over the industry, including the American Society of Travel Advisors Host Agency of the Year. Their reputation as a 5-star agency is widely heralded by advisors looking for a real sense of support from a host that still respects their independence. Nexion members gain valuable best practices from other members, staff, and suppliers, and backed by an industry-leading technology suite that expand as their agency grows. And perhaps most importantly of all, Nexion offers a truly familial sense of community, where travel advisors from far and wide can connect and form lifelong friendships. Nexion is a host agency that believes professionalism doesn't have to come at the expense of fun and joy, as anyone who attends their various networking events can tell you. The bottom line is, Nexion offers a proven roadmap to success for travel professionals. As Nexion President and asked to Chair Jackie Friedman likes to say, our success is your success. Those interested in joining this diverse community to empower your future, please visit www.nexion.com or call 1-800-747-6813.